Well, it's green on the screen this morning, so let's get our technical gurus to tell us how to approach the morning trade. Sudarshan Sukhani and Shrikant Chouhan are joining in. Sudarshan, good morning. After a couple of bad days now, we've seen some stability across global markets. Do you reckon the Nifty could resume its uptrend? And if yes, what are the levels that you're looking at?
Good morning, Sonia. See, the Nifty is in an uptrend, but only problem is it's doing that with big, large opening gaps. So for the short-term trader, it becomes very difficult to catch it. I would think that the first resistance for this up move in the Nifty comes somewhere around 17,500, and it's not an exact number always. It could be a little more also. So assuming the Nifty opens around 17,400, on any minor or small dip, there is still a buying opportunity. I would expect the 17,500 plus number to be touched sooner or later, today, tomorrow, Monday. So the trade in the Nifty, I can't say whether it's resumed its uptrend, but I can say that we should still be long in the index and try to be, because of the gap up, try to be long on minor intraday dips or consolidation and if possible carry the trade. The same applies to the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has outperformed again after a few days of sort of sideways move. That's a much better trade. Go long in the Bank Nifty and wait patiently.
Okay, all right, got that. Sudarshan. Hi Shrikant, morning, coming across to you. How would you trade the index?
Good morning, Nigel. I think, the Nifty has very clearly broken the level of 17,200 with the broad-based participation. And maybe because of that, we are going to see further more upward activity. And as Mr. Sudarshan said, yes, if there is any correction, we should be buyer in the market. We are expecting market to hit the levels of at least 17,450, 470, and maybe in the best case scenario, 17,700. So that's the overall view. So the strategy should be to look for buying on dips. And for the Bank Nifty, 38,800 is going to act as very good support. On the higher side, 39,700, 750 seems achievable.
Okay, let's talk about individual stocks then. Sudarshan, what would be on your buy and sell list this morning?
Well, this is a buy list today. It does appear that the markets, at least the Indian markets, could do something good. So Adani Ports is a buy. It's gone through a very deep correction, almost a mini bear market. I think this is a buy on dips opportunity because a lot of stocks have already flown away. This one may be willing to rally. Buy with a stop under 804. Coforge is a buy. Same story, big correction, now sideways move. Perhaps this is another buy on dips opportunity. Buy with a stop under 3,400. ICICI Prudential is more of a high-risk buying opportunity because it's not given us clear signs of bottoming out. But in this uptrend and bull markets, anything can happen. Buy with a tight stop under 515. And finally, Polycab did not correct even when the Nifty was correcting. It's an outperformer. So buy Polycab with a stop under 2590. As usual, watch the markets carefully and manage your risk.
Right, by strength, by relative strength. Sudarshan, thanks for that. Shrikant, what about you? What are the trades?
Yeah, Prashant, I think two stocks are doing really well. IRCTC, which is around 720, 719, it is forming some symmetrical triangle sort of formation. It's a continuation formation. So based on that, we are expecting stock to move towards 750, 760 sort of levels, which is decent upside from current level. So IRCTC is a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 707 on the downside. And the other stock which we like is Reliance Industries. We are expecting upward activity in the market. So I think it should get backed by Reliance Industries. And it is also forming some higher top, higher bottom formation on intraday basis. So again, here also we have a buy call with a stop loss at 2370. We are expecting stock to move towards 2500 in the near term.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Shrikant, as well as Sudarshan. Let's slip into a quick break. We'll have the pre-opening rates kicking in. We'll also have Anthony Cherukara of VST Tillers and Tractors to talk about their tractor sales for the month of September. Do stay tuned in.